Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open the camera app on your iPhone 16 Pro and swipe to video. Look along the mode row and locate action mode labeled stabilization. Tap the action mode icon once to enable the feature. You will see a blue badge appear to confirm activation. Note the slight 1.5x crop indicator at the corner of the viewfinder when action mode is active. Keep your subject centered to maximize stabilization performance during motion shots. Open settings within the camera app and choose your resolution and frame rate. Select 4K or 1080p and pick 24, 30, or 60 FPS depending on your needs. If you require maximum quality, enable ProRes only when you have enough storage space. Avoid applying digital zoom beyond 2x because it reduces available stabilization headroom. Toggle HDR separately if you need higher dynamic range. HDR may interact with motion processing on action mode. Start recording by pressing the red record button and hold your iPhone 16 Pro securely. Use a single-handed grip or a gimbal to further reduce shake during dynamic movement. Watch the live stabilization indicator and keep your subject centered while recording for best results. Monitor battery and temperature as action mode increases processing load during long takes. When finished, tap the action mode icon again to exit and conserve battery and storage on your device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.